In 1990, Shrek, the children's book, was written and illustrated by the famous New Yorker cartoonist William Steig. That version of Shrek smelled horrible, could breathe fire, and shoot lasers out of his eyes. DreamWorks bought the rights to the story and spent 4.5 years making the animated film version. At the time, Shrek was thought of as the ugly stepchild at DreamWorks, as the best animators were assigned to work on another production, the critically acclaimed Prince of Egypt. Those animators assigned to work on Shrek viewed it as a punishment. That said, Shrek went on to become the first winner ever of the Academy Award for Best Animated Feature in 2002, resulting in 3 sequels with another in the works, and it has generated close to $4 billion in sales. While Mike Myers will forever be known as giving Shrek his Scottish brogue, that role was first offered to Nicolas Cage, then given to Chris Farley, whose version of Shrek was 3/4 of the way done when he died. That Shrek looked vastly different than what he looks like today. The word Shrek means monster in Yiddish, and comes from the German word Schreck, meaning terror or fright. Speaking of the name Shrek, in the original movie, Donkey and Fiona are the only 2 characters who ever call Shrek by his name. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on how to draw 2 versions of Shrek and hundreds of other lessons.